white horse. Write down the date, everybody. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now look into the book. The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse. Okay, I told you the summary that the story is about two cousins, Aram and Murad, and who belong to the Gargolalian tribe, means to the Armenian tribe. And that tribe, it was famous for honesty and truth, right? And these children, they stole a horse, but they did not consider it as stealing. Why? Their innocence, it has been shown in the chapter that how children are so innocent that they considered it, that it was not a stealing, it would be stealing once they sell it in the market and they get money in return, then it would have been a stealing. Okay. When the chapter begins, Murad, the elder one, he goes to the house of Aram, okay, to invite him for a horse riding. One day back there in the good old days when I was 9 and the world was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence and life was still a delightful and mysterious dream, my cousin Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody who knew him except me, came to my house at 4 in the morning and woke me up tapping on the window of my room. Aram, he said. I jumped out of bed and looked out of the window. I couldn't believe what I saw. Now see, it was about to, okay, it was about to it was about the time when it is a little bit of darkness is there and when the sun is about to rise. Okay, and the season, it was the summer season, and not many minutes round the corner means the daybreak, the sunrise would be. He says after a few minutes there would be sunrise, and at that time what happens, it was enough light to know that to see somebody, okay, and Aram, he says that I wasn't dreaming, and at that time what happens, Murad, his cousin, he comes to him and he just invites him for a ride. Okay, and he says that I was 9 years old, means he was hardly 9 years old, and the world, it was full of every imaginable kind of magnificence of all the beauties. A child is very much away at the age of 9 from the worries, of the life and from the tensions, from the anxieties, and for them, the world, it looks quite beautiful, right? And life was a mysterious dream, means at this age, life is a mysterious dream for a child, because he is during all these years, okay, since he's born till 10 years, maybe 10 or 11 years, until he becomes quite big, he's away from all the worries, the anxieties, the tensions and all. So the life is somewhat like a mysterious dream full of magnificence for a child. So same वो कहता है कि my cousin Murad, who was considered crazy by everybody, okay, he came to my house and he invited me. First he uh, tapped on the window of my room, okay, not on the door, otherwise all the family members, they would have awakened. So he just taps on the window of Aram. He wakes him up and he just, Aram, he jumps out of the bed. Why? Because it was not, yes, it was not late morning or like that. Okay, early morning, we can say it was the dusk time, right? And he just jumps out of the window, looks out of the window, and he couldn't believe. He says it was very hard for me to believe, okay, whatever he was seeing outside the window. What did he see now? My cousin Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse, he says. I stuck my head out of the window and rubbed my eyes. Okay? And it was very difficult for him to believe. Why? Because his cousin Murad, he was sitting on a beautiful white horse. He took his head out of the window. He rubbed his eyes to get it confirmed whether he was dreaming or not. Yes, he said in Armenian, it is a horse, you are not dreaming. Make it quick if you want to ride. Now, Murad, he just invites him, and they talk in Armenian language as they were living there. And he says, of course, it is a horse, and you are not dreaming when he rubs his eyes. Come on, be quick if you want to ride a horse. I knew my cousin Murad enjoyed being alive more than anybody else who had ever fallen into the world by mistake. But this was more than even I could believe. In the first place, underline it, my earliest memories had been memories of horses, and my first longings had been longings to ride. And this was the wonderful part. Now see, Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse. Aram rubs his eyes, takes his high head out of the window. Murad, he assures him that it was a truth. He was not dreaming. Really, he was having a white horse. Okay. And Aram says that Murad, he was a kind of a person who enjoyed his life. He enjoyed being alive. Okay. More than anybody else enjoyed his life. He enjoyed his life to the fullest. But it was very hard for this little boy, Aram, who was 9 years old, to believe that he was seeing a horse in front of me. Okay. And as far as his earliest memories goes, he always had a longing, a deep desire, a dream to ride a horse. And this was actually a very wonderful thing that he was going to ride a horse, and that too in reality, not in a dream. So, see, two reasons have been given by the writer why it was very difficult for him to ride a horse. First one was it was somewhat like a dream come true. समझ में आया जैसे कोई सपना सच हो रहा हो. तो ये first reason तो यही होगा कि he had a longing to ride the horse, okay, and he was actually not dreaming, okay, in reality he was seeing a horse. Then in the second place, we were poor. Now see, horses, they cost lakhs of rupees, isn't it? So these poor people who hardly get square meal a day, for them, having a horse was somewhat beyond their imagination. Okay, उनकी कल्पना से भी परे था. तो वो कहता है कि second reason why I couldn't believe that we were poor. And this was the part that wouldn't permit me to believe what I saw. Got it, beta? What happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Silence? You're not getting it? See, it was early morning and the sun was about to rise. Okay? It was early morning and the sun was about to rise. Rise means there was no sunlight, but the light was so clear, the sky was so clear that one can see anything. Okay? Early in the morning, dusk time, सुबह होती है when the sun is about to rise. तो रोशनी तो होती है ना हल्की हल्की, और summers में तो very well. Okay? Everything, the sky is quite clear. So somebody taps on the window of Aram, who was 9 years old, and when somebody taps, when he looks out, it was Murad, and he was there on a beautiful white horse. So it was very hard for Aram to believe it. Why? He thought, पहले तो उसे लगा as if he's dreaming, then he rubs his eyes. So Murad just gives him an assurance that he is not dreaming, really he is having a horse. And if he wants to ride, he can jump out of the window, be quick, he says, and jump out of the window and just come out for riding, okay? And then he says that it was very hard for me to believe, okay, whatever I was seeing Murad with the horse. तो उसमें first reason वो क्या देता है बेटा? First reason कहता है my earliest memories had been memories of horses and my first longings had been longings to ride. कहता है it was very hard for me to believe. Why? क्योंकि मेरी earliest memories क्या थी? और horses की, और मेरी longing, मेरी चाहत, मेरा passion, my dream was to have a horse riding. Okay? He was damn crazy for horse riding. Right? और second reason, इसलिए उसको बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा था ये believe करना. और second reason, he was poor. They were poor. तो जो second reason था ना, they were poor, that was the part that did not permit him to believe that he wasn't really dreaming. It was really a horse on which Murad was sitting and he was being invited for a horse riding. Why? I said, for these people who hardly get square meal a day, जिन्हें 2 वक्त का खाना भी मुश्किल से मिलता है, उनको हॉर्स अरेंज करना, हॉर्स खरीदना, हॉर्स लाना, that was beyond the dream, beyond the imagination. Dream भी गया hell में, लेकिन beyond the imagination, they can never think of it. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. It is a very beautiful chapter. Okay, ध्यान से सुनना. We were poor, we had no money. Our whole tribe was poverty stricken. Got it? वो कहते हैं we were poor, we did not have money. We is talking about the whole tribe. Every branch of the Gargulenian family was living in the most amazing and comical poverty in the world. Okay, Gargulenian tribe होती है, Armenian tribe, Armenia जो country है ना, वहाँ की tribe होती है. तो कहती है every branch of the Armenian tribe, they were living in most amazing poverty. Okay, comical poverty. Amazing and comical is what? That makes you surprised and that makes you laugh. Okay, nobody could understand where we ever got enough to keep us with food in our bellies, not even the old man of the family. और वो कहता है कि nobody could understood, you know, amazing, it was a surprising poverty, you know, it was very hard for us to get enough money to fill our stomachs. Okay, बड़ी कॉमिकल थी कि भाई कुछ भी नहीं है हमारे पास, और मुराद, you know, having a horse, जिसके पास खाने को भी पैसे नहीं है. ठीक है, तो वो कहते हैं कि बड़ी अमेजिंग और कॉमिकल पॉवर्टी थी. नोबडी इन अ ट्राइब अंडरस्टूड कि फ्रॉम वेयर वी गॉट द मनी इनफ टू कीप फूड इन अ बेलीज, मींस टू फिल आवर स्टमक्स. नॉट इवन द ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द ट्राइब. ओल्ड मैन ऑफ द ट्राइब, उनको भी नहीं पता पड़ता था. बड़ा अमेजिंग पॉवर्टी थी हमारी कि पता नहीं कहाँ से पैसों का जुगाड़ हो जाता था. एंड वी यूज्ड टू फिल आवर स्टमक्स. मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट ऑफ ऑल, सी, underline it. Though we were famous for our honesty, now this tribe, you know, it was very, very famous for the honesty. We had been famous for honesty for something like 11 centuries. Got it, beta? Of this tribe, you know, it was famous for the honesty. Okay, for their honesty, अपनी ईमानदारी के लिए, वफादारी के लिए बहुत famous थे. ऐसे नहीं कि कुछ सालों से, for 11 centuries. 1 century is of how many years?
100 years.
100
So
years.
11
100.
centuries. 11 centuries.
1100 years.
से सोचो वो tribe, you know, इतनी ज्यादा famous थी कि nobody ever stole. Okay, in their tribe. चाहे भूखे मर जाते थे लेकिन वो चोरी नहीं करते थे बेटा. So most important of all, though we were famous for our honesty, we had been famous for our honesty for something like 11 centuries. Even when we had been the wealthiest family in what we like to think was the world. कहते, even now they were poor, but even they say when we were one of the wealthiest families, okay, then also we were honest. And being poor now this tribe, you know, it has become, okay, poverty stricken it is now, but still from so many centuries, okay, they had been very, very honest. We were proud first and honest next. देखो पहले उनको proud feel होता था, बाद में आती थी honesty. Why they were proud? Because of being honest. Okay, and after that we believed in right. Clear? कहते हैं पहले हमें गर्व महसूस होता है, बाद में honesty आती है. गर्व क्यों महसूस होता है? Honesty के लिए. समझ में आया? For being honest. और उसके बाद हम believe करते थे what is right and what is wrong. None of us would take advantage of anybody in the world, let alone steal. Means they were honest, they were proud, and they believed in right and wrong. Okay, and no one from their family, from their tribe, would ever steal, ever rob anything, or no one would ever take advantage of anybody in the world. कभी किसी का फायदा नहीं उठाते थे, ओके, गलत फायदा नहीं. कभी उनकी ट्राइब में से कोई रॉब नहीं करता था, कोई स्टील नहीं करता. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Consequently, even though I could see the hall so magnificent, even though I could smell it so lovely, even though I could hear it breathing so exciting, I couldn't believe the halls had anything to do with my cousin Murad or with me or with any of the other members of her family. वो कहता है consequently as a result क्या हुआ? I was so excited on seeing the halls, right? It was so pleasant, it was so beautiful. I could smell it, I could hear the breathing of the halls, but still it was very, very difficult for me to believe that Murad or anybody else in a tribe had any kind of connection with the halls. Yani anyone, okay, in a tribe, whether he was Murad or anybody else from a tribe, could afford a horse. कोई afford नहीं कर पाता, कर ही नहीं सकता था. समझ में आया? Or I couldn't believe the horse had anything to do with my cousin Murad or with me or with any of the other members of a family, asleep or awake. Okay? चाहे वो नींदों में हो, चाहे awakened हो, whether they were sleeping or whether they were not sleeping. They did not have any connections with the horse, means they couldn't on any condition afford to buy a horse. Because I knew my cousin Murad couldn't have bought the horse. अब उसको अच्छी तरह मालूम था cousin Murad, you know, he cannot afford to buy a horse. And if he couldn't have bought the horse, it was sure it must have stolen it and refused to believe he had stolen. समझ में आ गया? अब जब उसने हॉर्स नहीं खरीदा, अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता है, यदि कोई इंसान अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता है, and still that person is having the thing, okay, what will be our opinion? हमारा क्या opinion होगा बेटा? What will be our opinion?
That
He would have stolen.
he stole
Surely
it.
the person might have stolen, okay? जरूर उसने चोरी करी है. He must have, might be नहीं, he must have stolen. ठीक है? अब वो भी समझ गया कि हमारी फैमिली जो है, हमारी ट्राइब जो है, nobody in a tribe, not a single person, you know, because all were poverty stricken, they cannot afford to buy. They cannot even dream of this thing that is beyond their reach, that they cannot afford, okay? Whether in their dreams or whether they are not sleeping, awakened, they are. है ना, चाहे जागरे में सो रहे हो, वो सपना ही नहीं देखते ऐसी चीज का जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो इसका मतलब मुराद भी नहीं कर सकता. अब मुराद ने नहीं खरीदा तो श्योर ही हैड स्टोलन इट, एंड आई रिफ्यूज टू बिलीव ही हैड स्टोलन इट. समझ में आया? और एडम कहता है, यू नो, आई जस्ट रिफ्यूज टू बिलीव. आई वाज ओके not able to believe that he had stolen the horse. Clear? No
Yes,
member of the Gargolanian family could be a thief. Why he believed? Because he says no member of the Gargolanian, means Armenian family or a tribe, could be a thief. हमारी tribe में से कोई thief हो ही नहीं सकता. That is why this tribe, it was famous for honesty for the last 11 centuries. Okay? तो कहते हैं हम में से कोई चोर हो ही नहीं सकता. I stayed first at my cousin and then at the horse. There was a pious stillness and humor. Pious means a very holy kind of, religious kind of stillness and humor in each of them, which on the one hand delighted me and on the other hand frightened me. Okay, now he stares at the horse and then at the cousin. Okay, कभी अपनी cousin को देखता है, कभी horse को देखता है. एक religious piousness, बिल्कुल जैसे बहुत बड़ी holy calmness, शांति होती है ना, ठीक है, that was there, wittiness was there, humor was there. Okay. And Murad and the horse on one side, it delighted me means it attracted little Aram. But on the other side, he was very much frightened. अब एक तरफ को horse और मुराद को देख के he was very much attracted. लेकिन दूसरी तरफ he got very scared. Why? Because he knew we cannot afford the horse. तो इसका मतलब we have stolen the horse. He has stolen the horse. Okay. And stealing was not part of the growing up. Right? तो ये सोच के डर रहा था कि ये काम कैसे कर लिया. How did Murad, he stole the horse. Got it, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, better revise it. Fine.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay,
God
ma'am.
bless you.
Thank you, ma'am.